Okay, let's take a start. The topic is punctuality. Do you wear a watch?
Yes, I wear a watch because it is very important for my routine. When I wear a watch, I see time and follow my routine.
Okay, this
Yes,
is a short answer. Just
yes,
add some more
yes.
to it. In your country, is it important to be on time?
Yes, it is very important in my country to be on time because it shows your works. Because when you came into time, it shows you are hard
When you
working.
come on time,
When you come on time, it shows you are hardworking and you are love to your work. You love
you
your.
love your work. So, to answer your question,
Yes,
it is really important to be punctual in my country.
yes,
For on time, you can use the word punctual.
yes.
Okay, do you like to be on time?
Yes, I would love to become on time because it is a very good habit to came punctuate with coming soon. So
It is a
I
very good habit to be
to
punctual.
be punctual. So it is very important to be punctual. So it makes good in your.
Okay, how do you feel when other people are late?
I am feel very because I am feel very bad when other
I
people.
feel very
I
bad.
feel very bad when other people are late because it shows their ignorance for their work, and they are when they come late, so they are lazy or another type of reason behind it.
Okay,
Yes,
all right. That's fine. Just
yes,
keep it up like
yes,
this, but try to speak more, add
yes,
more ideas to
yes,
the answer,
yes,
and use a variety of words and
yes.
sentences, right? Okay, thank you.